Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, August 24. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Owanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. So my take on the Dow Jones now is that from this wave 2 low here, higher degree, if you want to have more information on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis from the weekend. That we did a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and that we are now working on this wave 3 here, but of course we do not go there in a straight line. I believe here we had our first wave 1 up of this wave 3, which would now mean that we first have a wave 2 down. So the target area for our wave 2 would be this area here, and then we should go up again in the wave 3 of 3. So yeah, this is the primary scenario. And so here I believe we come down in a WXY structure, which we will analyze in a minute in more detail. But I have to tell you there's something problematic here with this wave. Well, problematic in the sense that depending on which data source you take, this is correct or not correct. So your wave 3 cannot be the shortest on the Owanda platform. Now it is slightly the shortest. If I look at other data sources, our wave 3 is slightly longer than the wave 5. So I know with this data, this is a mistake. This cannot happen. But let's say I will follow the other data sources, because, like, for me, this Elliott wave count now fits best together with my other analysis. So I just want to say, on the Owanda data, on the Owanda platform, this wave count is not right because of the shortest wave 3. On other platforms that I checked, it is right because our wave 3 is slightly longer than our wave 5. So it's up to you what to believe. And yeah, in case the wave 3 is the shortest one, then I put an alternative count here in red, and then I would go for a scenario that this here is our wave 1, and that we are now still working on this wave 2 through an expanded flat structure, 1, 2, 3 down as a wave A. Then this here is something corrective. We have an overshooting wave B, and then we come down as wave C here in 5 waves. But yeah, for this we need more data. Let's see how it plays out. But okay, let's stick with the primary scenario. So some kind of high was in here. We call it now our wave 1 high, and so from here we should see more downsides. I'm calling for a WXY structure right now. Let's have a look in more detail. So if we look here at the 1 hour, so like I already said in my previous videos, like we violated the areas from where I wanted to see upside. I mean, we reacted each time, but we did not hold it. So we ended up below this areas. So now we are we are sitting here. In the 4 hour, it looks like an upward cycle here has started. If we analyze the RSI, so here we had our downward corrective cycle. It looks like this is now ending, and we are starting an upward cycle here. But this, we cannot really see this in price yet. It looks like we are still sitting here. So yeah, we need our move up soon. So like I said, on the 4 hour it looks complete. Also here in our price, it looks also we have like a complete structure here. I would call it an ABC structure, like A down and 5 waves leading diagonal. Then yeah, messy corrective wave B, like a triangle structure, and then yeah, a nice impulse down, I would say, as a wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. We break the RSI trend line. We go down again. We take out this low. We end with divergence. So this looks like yeah, textbook impulse to me. And so now from here, like if this ABC is in, it would mean that our wave W is in. And yeah, what I expect then is yeah, is some kind of move upside. If the rally fails, then yeah, then this WXY structure will play out, in my opinion. However, yeah, can also be like this is a mature correction. This ABC as it looks now. So it could be that yeah, the overall correction is finished here, and that we start to move up again from here. So that would mean that yeah, we have our wave 2 here, but yeah, I cannot make this my primary scenario because wave 2 is supposed to go into this area here. And yeah, it can always happen that you have this shallow wave 2 retracements, but yeah, I prefer to follow the guidelines, and the guidelines say that a wave 2 should go into this area here. If we take the length of our wave 1, then our wave 2 should go in the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. And so then I believe the way to go there is a WXY structure, as this looks like an ABC. ABC down. This looks finished, so I'm expecting some kind of move up here as a wave X, and then down again as a wave Y, to end up here in this area. So yeah, if I look at the data, I would expect upside, that we go into this area here. So if we take the length here of our wave W, then we should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. But for now, we do not see it in the price yet. This structure looks complete as a correction. In the 4 hour, it looks like we will start an upward cycle, but for now we cannot see it in the price data. What might happen, or what could be the trap here, is that yeah, this here is unfolding as an impulse instead, so that we have our wave 1 or wave 2. This here was our wave 3, that we are now doing some kind of wave 4, and that we then go further down as a wave 5. So then it would mean that our ABC correction, that we get an ABC correction instead of a WXY. So this is something to take into account. It is something like, if we consider our RSI, like, then I would count it like this. Like this here is our wave 1. We go up again as a wave 2. Then this here was our wave 3. Then we have a wave 4 up here, which we are currently doing. We are breaking the RSI trend line, and then another leg down as a wave 5. So this might be the surprise here. It's not my main expectation, but it's something to take into account. It's something that could play out, that we cannot neglect. So I will put this here in red as my alternative scenario. Yes, like this. Let's put it one big. Okay, like this then. Indeed, 3, 4, and then 5 down. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.